Hello, DDC.
Magistrate Burton, how are you, sir?
Let me tell you what he did to me this weekend, man. We go straight down the list. Magistrate Burton had me running this weekend. I'm telling you.
You froze?
Yep.
Who had him running?
He had me running, baby.
I got both sides. I got you in shape, didn't I?
Magistrate Burton, how are you, sir? Let me tell you what he did to me this weekend.
Hold on.
Go straight down the list. Magistrate Burton had me running.
Oh, now they log off for me.
Go on. Where their bodies at?
All right. Mr. Blake, what's your client's name?
Caleb Williams.
He's not here.
Okay.
Caleb
Williams is not there?
No, sir.
Where'd he go?
It says he's in transit for the last 2 days.
No, he self-surrendered this morning. He called me from there.
He called you from where?
DDC.
I'm gonna double check. We don't have him here, sir. Well, let me go check. Hey, Doc, you get a Caleb Williams in yet? He said he called him from here. My man said he called him from here. Yeah. It's just like friend.
I don't know what's going on, Mr. Blake.
I don't either. He's a DPD and he self-surrendered this morning with the union head. So
He self
I don't know
surrendered.
why.
Oh, DDC, you're killing me. You're killing me, DDC. You're killing me.
I'm sorry, sir. You said he called you from here?
Yes, he was walked in by the union head. He came in at 8 o'clock. Was supposed to be arraigned.
Hey, folks, they ready?
Yeah, he said Caleb was here. He called him from here.
He's walking back to 100. It's gonna be a minute.
Oh, he's not here. Oh, he's up front.
Get the rest of them, folks.
Yes.
Thank you, Ms. Shive. Good morning.
Good morning.
we're looking for Caleb Williams, which is Mr. Blake's client.
Oh, okay.
They're trying to
retained.
locate him. I'm
Okay.
waiting for the prosecutors to log in.
I'll let Sam know.
Okay, we located him, sir. He's in building 100. He turned himself in. He's not housed in building 500 where we at. They're walking him across the yard now.
And so they're gonna log in? Are they gonna log in? Oh boy.
Well, good afternoon, I should say.
It's 5 minutes to morning. five more morning minutes.
We'll take it.
DDC?
Yes, sir.
Is Caleb Williams, he's gonna log in? Or what?
He's walking.
Where are we on him?
He's walking over, sir.
He's gonna be in this camera?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Max now, man. He was located in another building when you first walked in.
I understand that. After we do Caleb Williams, we go straight down the list.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, there's just two people we're waiting on for DDC to bring, Fletcher and Hughes, when they get a chance to be interviewed, please.
That's for camera 2, right?
Thank you. Yes, thank you.
So Williams gonna have to get interviewed first. Okay.
No. Williams has retained counsel.
No.
Fletcher and who? You just said Williams.
Hughes.
I said Caleb Williams is Mr. Blake's client.
Fletcher and Hughes, you need to go to camera 2. Fletcher. Who's Caleb?
One back up front.
Yeah, he want him now.
Doc, where's Everett?
Morning, Your Honor.
Going right now.
Caleb.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Repeat your name.
Caleb Lester Tyree Williams.
All right, calling case number 240-569-1901. People say Michigan versus Caleb Williams. Appearances, please.
Lisa Coyle, hearing on behalf of people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wright Blake appearing on behalf of Caleb Williams. Judge, this is the formal reading of the charge. Ask the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
All right, the court is not guilty plea on behalf of your client. Argument as to bond, Mrs. Coyle.
Your Honor, in this instance, I usually would be okay with some sort of personal bond, but in this matter, Your Honor, the fact that Mr. Williams, he is a police officer. I understand he is suspended, but this action shows not that he's a flight risk because he has Mr. Blake, who's a fine lawyer, and the fact that he's here, but the fact that he's a danger to the community. This complaint is a 10-year-old. I believe he's the uncle of the complainant in this matter. and he allegedly was arcing his taser at this young boy, and it was filmed on video. And for anybody, he is at a different standard of care. He is a police officer. He's given a taser, which can be used as a weapon. And here he looks like he is assaulting this young boy with a his department issued taser on numerous occasions. This is one time they're all sitting there, and I believe he arced that weapon 3 times, and that's why he's charged with the felonious assault as well as child abuse. And this was recorded on a cell phone video by the complainant's grandmother. Your Honor, this lacks all common sense. And what I'm saying.
Okay, Mrs. Coyle, your point is taken. What's the bond amount you're requesting?
Okay, no problem. 50,000, 10%. No contact.
Okay, Mr. Blake.
Judge,
Right.
Or any other young children.
Judge, I've had a hard time hearing Ms. Coyle, and no
I'm sorry.
disrespect. I think she said something about a flight risk.
No, I said he's not.
Okay, I would agree with that, Judge. The fact that he's a law enforcement officer, he's afforded the same rights as any other citizen up under this Constitution. He has no prior record, not a risk of flight. He has a commendable work history. The fact that he is an officer, he has sworn to protect the public, and he maintains his innocence on this case, Judge, and he's afforded that. If you weigh all the factors, he is definitely entitled to a personal bond, and that's what we're asking this court, that he be released on his own recognizance. We have no problems with him having contact with his nephew, but other than that, he should be given a personal bond.
All right, the court haven't heard an argument as to bond. Given the fact that Mr. Williams turned himself in, he has retained counsel, no previous criminal history. The court doesn't find that he's a flight risk, nor a significant danger to the community. To Mrs. Coyle's argument, there's a lot of factors here. I don't know why a taser was allegedly used. That'll come out in later court dates. But for right now, given his work history, the fact he turned himself in, 10,000 on a personal bond, while his case is pending, you're not to possess any handguns, firearms, or other dangerous weapons. No contact with minors. Probable cause May 5th, preliminary examination May 9th, both in front of Judge King. Have a good day, Mr. Williams.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you,
Your
Ms.
Honor,
Coyle.
thank you, Mr. Blake.